With this space, students are able to have question sets builders by their teacher. So again, as a teacher, I'm able to come in to this space and build out rigorous questions for my students. It's going to guide teachers through a workflow that really helps them create appropriate text-dependent questions that are really set by your standards and instructional goals. So what teachers are going to do is first they come in and you can see the steps right here where I have the welcome and purpose. I target my text. There's a grade level, set my standards, question types and rigor, number of items, anything else, and then it drafts my questions. So here I come in and I say that I want to focus in on a comprehension check with my students. It says, great, I provide the passage that my students are working through. You can also attach files for these resources as well. Once I do that, I'm able to tell kind of, okay, my students are in the 6th grade. They need, this Lexile range. And then I come in and provide my standards. Again, you can attach those standards right by clicking standards or copy and paste them into this chat. Once you do that, we're able to explain what we want to focus and what type of questions we want. So maybe I want 2 multiple choice questions at DOK level 2, short answer questions at DOK level 3, and give students a good mix of literal and informational thinking task as well. Then once I do that, I'm able to explain and go through what it needs to know. What else should it include, right? So I wanted to have answer keys. I wanted to focus on figurative language. I also maybe want to create a Google Doc. So I want to create a document for this. We can see that after I went through and created this, it developed my questions. Vocabulary and context. Here's my DOK level 2 question. And it also has my answer key provided as well. Maybe here we can see that we might need to help further, right? I want my answer key on a separate document. So I can explain, any corrections that I might want to have before I export this resource into my Google Drive. So again, you can come in, you're able to explain, I can see the correct answer, the standard that it's connected with. I can also see the text portion connected as well. So what a great way to build higher level questions to really support student understanding and to support their thinking as well. And again, any revisions that you want to make, you're able to have it kind of come in and ask Dot to help you recreate or to analyze or to create a separate document for the answer key, create a separate document for the questions, whatever you want to do, you're able to go through and revise those steps as well.